Hey guys, today I received a special package from Earon. I actually bought these myself. These are the Earon M2. So they're basically wireless headphones, wireless Bluetooth headphones. They're one of the smallest ones that you can buy. Earon were one of the first companies that produced wireless earphones. I guess it's been made popular now by the Apple AirPods. But these guys here were one of the first ones to make them, along with the Bragi Dash. So these kind of came at the same time. They didn't get a very much press coverage. I think the first iteration they had some issues with connecting between the two earbuds, so they used Bluetooth to connect between the two earbuds. I actually have the original M1s here. I actually still use them every day. They work for me. I guess I'm not very tall, so when I have my phone in my pocket and the earbuds in my ear, not very tall, so the connection doesn't drop out too much for me. So I use these every day, especially when I go for a run or something. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the M2 and let's get to it. So it's got this clear wrap around it. Before I take it off, let's take a look at the back. So it says M2 noise-free calls. So these ones actually have a mic. The old ones didn't come with a mic, so that'll be interesting. So audio transparency, I'm not quite sure what that is. I think that means it'll actually let the outside sound come through the headphones, but I'll have to play with that later. So it's got touch controls, it's small and lightweight, and it's got a capsule which charges. So these are black, so this is a black capsule. And then there's some information down here about the uptime or the playtime, so up to 4 hours continuous usage, 14 hours with the capsule, and then it's got low latency. So actually that's very important. On the old M1s, there was a noticeable lag when you're watching a video. So if you're on YouTube and you're watching a video, the audio would be maybe half a second, maybe that's a bit too much, but maybe like 200 milliseconds behind what was showing on the screen. So let's get this plastic off. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, so there's the plastic gone. They have, I think you just slide it out. Yep. Okay, so you push it. And they have this cardboard type box. So they had a very similar box in the other one. In the M1s. There's a user guide here as well. So what's this? So this is the touch controls. So if you tap once, it's play. I think long press is voice assistant, and so on. I guess I'll have to read this a bit later. Cool. What's inside here actually? A card about support, and then this might be some warranty information. Not quite sure. Okay, I'll take a look at this later. Alright, so to the main box. So this is like a rough cardboard, almost like cork type box. It says M2 Earon, nothing on the back. Oh wait, it does. It says engineered in Sweden, assembled in China. So this is held in magnetically, just like the previous one, which is pretty cool. They have a really short micro USB cable. I wish they did USB-C, but they didn't. So this is the actual headphones. Ooh. They're quite heavy. Let me just compare this with the other one. So they maybe a bit heavier. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just the shape. But it's basically the same size. It's a little taller, about the same thickness. This one kind of tapers off on either ends. This one kind of just tapers off at the top, which is pretty cool. The charging is at the top there. No spot for a lanyard. So this one had a little notch for a lanyard, the old one, but not this one. I can't see where the charging LED is. Maybe it's through there, I'm not sure, I'll have to play with that. But this one had a charging LED here and here. So this used to tell you when the earphones itself was charging, and then there's an LED here telling you when the capsule itself was charging. So not sure where they hid it on this one, but we'll take a look at that later. So Earon, take it up. Oh, there you go, those are the earphones. Let's take them out. Oh, they just pop out. Oh, they're held in magnetically, which is cool. So it magnetically aligns to the charging pins at the bottom. Take it out and it's already in pairing mode. It's actually flashing at me already. So touch area. Interesting. I guess I have to play with these headphones a bit longer and do a review later. But let's let's continue with the tour around the device. There's some information here, just some numbers. Ooh, very slick. Very slick closing action. I'll just compare that with the other one. This was also very slick, but that one definitely feels smoother. So the new version feels a bit smoother. So this one feels like it's catching onto the plastic there. So these are the old ones. I've used them for a long time, and they don't go in magnetically. So the charging was actually in here in the logo itself, and then you'd have to position it here and then kind of push them in, and then it's held in by friction. So sometimes it can be hard to align. Otherwise, it's still pretty good. Okay, so nothing else on the bottom. Feels very smooth. Let's see what's in this thing here. This says spare tips. So I'm guessing these are the spare foam tips. Yep. Oh wow, there's lots of sizes. There's like a small one, maybe a larger one. There's like, let's see how many they got. Okay, they've got quite a few. Yeah, a lot. Let's see. There's at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of extra tips, which is pretty good. Most headphones don't even give you spare tips, so that's pretty nice. So that's basically it in the box. The charging cable, of course. What I'll do is I'm gonna give these take these ones for a spin for maybe a few weeks or a month, and then I'll come back with a proper review. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the Earyn M2 unboxing. Stay tuned for the review.